Good morning from another day on Nusa Penida. Just like yesterday, we woke up to the sound of knocking on our door and free breakfast. So we're gonna eat this now and then we gotta go get money and then we wanna hang by the pool today. This time I went for an American breakfast and got banana pancakes. It comes with all these different sauces, which is really cool. And Meg got noodles again. Alright, so since we are both nursing our wounds from our motorbike accident yesterday, and I'm extremely sunburnt and it really hurts to go outside in the sun and just do anything, we're gonna just be hanging out by the hotel today. There's a really beautiful pool right on the ocean, which I'm about to show you guys, and so we're just gonna hang out there, watch some TV, we gotta catch up on some things, and we gotta figure out our plans over the next couple of days, because we have to take a boat back to the mainland tomorrow morning really early, and then our flight out of here the next day is at 7 a.m., so we gotta figure out a place to be near the airport, and so we can get there that early. Gonna have a pretty relaxed day, but let's go take a look at the pool. Our hotel told us that they caught this fish today. You probably can't see in the camera, but he's just grilling it right down there on the beach, and they offered us some. So we have to eat it with our hands, but it's delicious. It's so good. And we're just sitting here right by the water that he just caught it at, which is really nice. And this is some spicy ketchup type sauce. It's delicious. This is like some of the best fish I've ever had.
Today, when we were walking around town, we saw a lot of people selling this exact type of fish.
Good morning. It is about 6 a.m. and we are about to head to the ferry. We don't have our tickets yet, but we were told it leaves around 7:30, so we want to get there quick. But the people from our hotel just offered to drive us, and so luckily we don't have to do the half-hour walk, and so we're just waiting for the car now.
That they drove us, very kind.
It's so weird to see it without cars at the bottom.
Yeah.
Just got on the ferry.
Yes.
About 7:30 in the morning. There's the kitty. Right on cue. What did you say?
Literal toilet paper for napkins.
It's on a roll. I got the chicken satay and it comes on this cool little wooden plate. Did you get it in vegetarian curry? Mm-hmm. Looks really cool. It comes in a nice bowl.
Yeah. Your second.
Our Grab driver was getting here really fast and he just had to go through every red light. And so every time there was a red light, he would go take a left and then make a little U-turn and then go back onto the road making another left and just keep going straight. And one time he just blew right through a red light and didn't even care about it. And so that was interesting, but we got here pretty fast. We just checked in. We're staying at the Ivanka Airport Inn, which is really close to the Denpasar Airport because we have a flight at 7 a.m. tomorrow, so we're gonna have to leave really early in the morning. And so we wanted to be as close as we possibly could. We got to book where we're gonna stay in Vietnam for tomorrow night because Vietnam you actually need a visa for, so we've already got our visas approved and we brought our photos and everything, so we'll get that done tomorrow at the airport. But we don't have a place to sleep yet and we're gonna need that for the visa, so we've got to get that figured out. We're at a restaurant in someone's driveway with one table. I got nasi goreng, which is a fried egg on top of fried rice with chicken. And Megan got something very interesting.
I got tuna spaghetti and I just got it because it caught my eye and I was like, I have to try this. So, let's see.
Is it just tuna on top of spaghetti?
Yeah.
Looks good though.
Yeah, it does.
How is the tuna spaghetti?
Scrumptious yumptious.
Oh.
Very good.
This is how we found this place. This big sign. And then it's just this driveway. So here's an extremely quick room tour of the Ivanka Airport Inn. We're staying in a king bed suite. So here's that magnificent king bed.
For a full $14 a night.
Yeah, $14. It was $2 more than the twin bed, right?
Yeah.
We have one little bedside table, a TV, we got our AC. Unfortunately, it seems like a different key for the door outside the balcony, so we can't unlock that. But this is the little bit of light that we get. And then we have our own bathroom in here. There's the heater, our big window. And this is the best part of the room tour. Megan applying her wounds. It's not the nicest room, but it's fine for what it cost. And we really just got it because it's super close to the airport and we just want it for one night so we can catch our 7 a.m. flight in the morning. And so, no complaints here. It is currently 5 a.m. Megan is still asleep. And today we go to Vietnam.